Hi there, friends! Are you ready to learn something fun today? Let's have some fun learning new words together. Let's get started. CL is for
Clock.
clock. Come on, let's say it together. Clock.
Clock.
CL is for
Cloud.
cloud. Repeat after me. Cloud.
Cloud.
CL is for
Clover.
clover. Can you say it with me? Clover.
Clover.
CL is for
Clown.
clown. Come on, let's say it together.
Clown.
Clown. CL is for
Cliff.
cliff. Can you say it with me?
Cliff.
Cliff. CL is for
Clip.
clip. Repeat after me. Clip.
Clip.
CL is for
Closet.
closet. Come on, let's say it together. Closet.
Closet.
CL is for
Clam.
clam. Can you say it with me? Clam.
Clam.
CL is for
Club.
club. Repeat after me. Club.
Club.
CL is for
Cloth.
cloth. Come on, let's say it together. Cloth.
Cloth.
CL is for
Clutch.
clutch. Can you say it with me? Clutch.
Clutch.
CL is for
Clamp.
clamp. Come on, let's say it together. Clamp.
Clamp.
CL is for
Clownfish.
clownfish. Repeat after me. Clownfish.
Clownfish.
CL is for
Clay.
clay. Repeat after me, nice and loud. Clay.
Clay.
CL is for
Clasp.
clasp. Great job. Let's say it one more time together. Clasp.
Clasp.
CL is for
Climber.
climber. Can you say it with me? Climber.
Climber.
CL is for
Click.
click. Repeat after me. Click.
Click.
CL is for
Client.
client. Can you say it with me? Client.
Client.
You were awesome. Keep up the great work. Let's recap the words we've learned.
Clock. Clock.
Clock,
Cloud. Cloud.
cloud,
Clover. Clover.
clover,
Clown. Clown.
clown,
Cliff. Cliff.
cliff,
Clip. Clip.
clip,
Closet. Closet.
closet,
Clam. clam,
clam,
club, club,
club,
cloth, cloth,
cloth,
clutch, clutch,
clutch,
clamp, clamp,
clamp,
clownfish, clownfish,
clownfish,
clay, clay,
clay,
clasp, clasp,
clasp,
climber, climber,
climber,
click, click,
click,
client, client.
client. Fantastic work! You're getting better every day. Thanks for learning with us today. See you in the next video.